Hello, my DOGIES. Today we're going to be playing a normal camping story. So, a normal camping story is a normal story game where you go camping with your friends, but something is wrong, very wrong. All right, let's go. I saw in the description it's 45 minutes, just like a movie. So, okay, this looks good. Oh, we're starting, yay! Okay, I don't think I don't think we're gonna survive with like 2 other people in the game, but you aren't supposed to see this text. Yeah, but I just did. Waiting players to load. I think everyone's loaded because everyone's like moving. So, got a health bar. That's never good in story games. If you have a health bar, that's not good. So this game is gonna be another story game, right? Oh yeah. It's weird that the place name is the campsite, but we are in an we're in an elevator now. Well, let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I hope it's not something terrifying, cause that would be terrifying. Yeah, that's a cool shirt you got there. Oh, okay. We're starting. Who are you exactly? Oh, okay. Hello, everyone. Jerry. Hello, Jerry. You can jump on the car. My name is Jerry, and it's so nice to meet you all. Yeah, it's so nice to meet you. Can you jump on your head? No fair. Today we're gonna go camping. Yay. Why is nobody excited? I'm excited. Don't be sad, Jerry. Don't be sad. Maybe it's because this isn't the first camping game that we have played. Oh. But this one is different. All story games are different, Jerry. Okay, follow me. I will show everything. Okay, let's go. Oh, why are you so fast? Like, normally story game people are like really slow. Like, just slow, you have to go like boom, boom, boom. Oh, look, it's a frog. Can I touch it? No. Everything here is safe and beautiful. Welcome. Oh, look at this wonderful frog. Oh, it looks so cool, like the water. Isn't it cute? Yeah, it's cute. The lily pad's like, it's really thick. Jerry! What? Spooky Woods, 99.9% safe. There's still a 91% chance it can't be safe. Excuse me. Let's continue our way. Spooky Woods. Here we are. Okay. Spooky Woods. Yeah. A peaceful place to camp. Yeah, it looks pretty peaceful, I guess. Let's go. It's like a hill down here. Come on. Oh, okay. This. What is that username? It's like. It's like one of those 5-year-old kids on Roblox. They're like, I don't know how to spell a username. I'm just gonna. Okay. Why aren't we going, Jerry? Like, aren't we supposed to go to the campsite? Hello? What's wrong, Jerry? Yeah, what's wrong? Are you. What did you just do? Hey, I heard something. I mean, our footsteps. Someone is here with us. That's not. Yeah, ... Oh my goodness! A monster! What is his teeth? It looks like you just eat Cheetos. Yeah, let's run. Yeah! Wow, I can't run. No, let me. Oh, it's just Bob. Bob? Wait, what? Exactly. Like, you have a friend that eats Cheetos too much. Yeah, it's just Bob. Like, look at his teeth. Look like you just eat ketchup and Cheetos. That's why they're all red and orange. Don't worry, he's a peaceful monster. Oh. This is strange. Yeah, no joke. It is strange. Don't say that. You will hurt his feelings? Okay. Yeah, but he wasn't supposed to be here. The rope must have broken. Wait, what? The rope must... I will tie him again? What? Jerry, if he's peaceful, why do you need to tie him? Like, you are the monster, Jerry. You gotta quit. Come with us, Bob. No, keep Bob out of the cabin. Intro, I don't care. A game by broken toast. How can a toast be broken? You can only, like, snap it in half. Where'd the lily pads go? Inspired by Samson's game Camping. Yeah, I might put a camping game in another one of my videos that's coming up. You guys better be excited. Okay. With a story never told before. Okay. Ooh, it's water. Look, the water looks actually really cool. I think it looks cool. Why is it so slow? Rise! The intro is so long. Oh my. Oh, okay. We can jump. A normal camping story. We got Bob with this food bowl. Wait, what? Okay, we're all jumping in joy. Okay, what did I just see? Bob has a water and food bowl. Like, Bob, what is this? Are you a dog? You're finally here. Bob won't cause troubles now. Wait, what? He causes troubles? Jerry! Are you sure? I hope so. Of course, you better be, Jerry, because I'm not camping with a demon. I'll show the campsite. Okay. W. This is the cabin, but we are going to sleep outside tonight. Wait, what? Why? Yeah, why? Why not? Okay, fine, whatever. You have a point. But, like, there's no sleeping bag here. We're just sleeping on some plastic. I don't know, felt. Show me, I'll show the bathroom. Oh, I mean, follow me. Okay. Why are you so fast, Jerry? Stop being so fast. Oh my goodness. Bathroom. Oh, almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. I can tell. Is that the bathroom? Are you sure? Because, like, it looks really fancy. I wanna try jumping on it. Oh, we're teleported in. Okay. This is the bathroom. Okay, it's pretty nice, I guess. I'm here when you need. Ooh, it's a teddy bear. Hey, Jerry. I think someone's in. Someone is here. Wait, what? They just left the game. Oh my god, they just left the game. Who is this guy? Yeah, who is he? I'm gonna stay away. I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? He is gone. What? And he didn't wash his hands. What? Let's forget it. Yeah, I think we should forget it because, like, it's nothing to worry for. Yeah, it's. Why is there a teddy bear in the bathroom though? Like, that's what I'm concerned about. Okay, let me out. I don't want to be in the bathroom. It stinks in here. I'll let you explore the campsite for a while. Cause I don't know, that marshmallow dude, like, he, like, exploded the toilet because of his KFC. Don't worry that the night is coming. Like, it's, the night is coming. I want to check what's behind, like, what's behind. What? Leave while you can. Is that it? Okay, I'm getting out of here. Like, I'm running back to the bathroom. I think the bathroom is safer. Jerry, when are we gonna get out of this bathroom? It kind of sucks in here. Oh, we're supposed to explore. Never mind. Our screen is pitch black. Torch. Oh, okay. It's nighttime. Bob! I think Bob is the best one. Okay. It's almost at night. We need to get some wood to light the fire. Okay. We'll go. It would be very good if you could go around get some wood for us. You mean you? 'Cause me? Yes. You. Who else could be? Well, you, I guess. Like, why? But you need to help me too. Yeah, Jerry. Well, okay. Done. Did he just... I did my part. You just put a log in. Now it's your turn. Are you serious? I'm going to light you on fire, you stupid idiot. Get some wood for Jerry. You don't need wood. You're so dumb. Is that a Minecraft pig over there? Or am I just crazy? Okay. Oh, there's a log. One. Are we serious? Do we have to go around and find 6 logs again? All over? Like, they could be anywhere. Like, why not? Like, why did you get logs before? Like, why do we have to find them? Okay, let's go. Come on, logs. Why do I hear Christmas music? Is that Christmas music? I don't think it is. Okay, come here, log. Okay, we have some left to go, and I just don't know where. Do we really have to go all the way over here? It's kind of terrifying over here. Jerry, you suck. Like, kind of help me or something. Like, I don't want to be here in this forest. Like, if those 2 bacons were still in the game, like, they would help me. But, like, I have to be doing this all alone, so you could, I don't know, help, like, find, like, 2 more logs or something. Playing intense music, I don't like that. Okay. We have 1 more log left to go. Oh, come on, it's not that hard. It is hard, Jerry. I will give a little help. If you know where the logs are, why don't you get them? Now it will be easier. What does that sign say? Okay, where's the logs? Like, what did he do? Did he, like, put an arrow or something? Are they glowing now, the logs? Like, I don't see it. Oh, it's over there. I couldn't see that. Okay, our last log. Boom. Objective completed. Good job. Thank you. Your night is coming. Okay. You can tell scary stories. Once upon a time, there was Jerry. He made me do all the log work. Yeah. Sit down here. Where's the cab? Where's the cabin? Did it just disappear? Oh wait, no, I see the top. Everything is done. Woohoo! So, let's eat some Why not marshmallows? Why eat sandwiches? What's in this sandwich anyway? It looks pretty good, but like, why is it tentacle? Like, it looks kind of weird, Jerry. Don't you kind of agree? Like, some story games, like, you have to wait. It seems like the sandwiches are poisoned. Well, thank God I didn't eat it. I mean, what is that purple stuff? Oh no! Did you eat it? No. No. Really? Nah. Oh, thank God. It's just a joke. Ah, yes, we can eat our sandwiches. I was just... This wasn't fun. Okay, let's continue eating our sandwiches. I was just trying to scare you. Oh, it's okay, Jerry. Please don't be sad. I hear the num 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 effects. Well, I need to go to the bathroom now. Okay, Jerry, be safe. I'm back in some minutes. I guess we could just eat our sandwich. I kind of want to explore. Hey, Bob. How are you? Bob, why can't I see you? gonna wait here. Feel like something's gonna pop out. It's a little too peaceful. So I'm starting to think that this game is actually peaceful. Yeah, like nothing's going on. I'm wondering if something is going to happen now. Yep, I think something's gonna happen now. What was that noise? What was? Yeah, no joke. What the heck was that? What was that? Are you there, Jerry? Jerry, I don't like this. I feel like we're... Ah! Oh, it's just Bob. Oh, it's just Bob. Let's go say hi. Hi, Bob. What are you doing here? Yeah, what are you doing here? Oh my god, you Cheeto does. I think he can't talk. And no joke, he's like, his mouth is blocked off of help. What do you mean? What's going on? Yeah, no joke, what is going on? Why do you turn around like that? It's a bunny? It's just a rabbit. Yeah, it's just a rabbit, Bob. You don't need to be afraid of a rabbit. Haha, Bob. Are you afraid of rabbits? Yeah, I mean, there's a rabbit phobia, I think. It looks like there is someone there. What in the world is that? Oh, it's him from the bathroom. It's Marshmallow Guy. Oh, it's just a run? Go to the cabin. Okay, we're in. Is that a scream? Bob? Bob! Bob! It's Bob, yeah! Come on, Bob. Should I let him in? Yeah, we should let him in. Yes. Bob, let's let Bob in, because Bob is the friend. I think he's the safest one. I think he's safer than Jerry. For some reason, I don't know though. Come quickly, Bob. Yeah, come quickly. Run, run, run. Inside, inside. Jerry? Jerry! You took a long time. Like, what were you doing? Did you eat KFC too? Bob is just like, what's happening here? Bob is just like staring at him like, I didn't do anything. And why is Bob here? I was attacked by a masked guy. So I ran to the cabin. Bob followed me and I let him enter. Oh. Yeah, Bob. You're the best, Bob. We can hold hands. Wow. It's a good scare story. Haha. That's not a story, Jerry. Can we go up here? Okay, we got some YouTuber plushies. Okay, look. We can sleep in the cabin tonight. Okay. So wait, what's in here is the bathroom. There's no reason to be afraid. This place is 99.9% safe. Yeah, that's 9, not 99.99%. Now, let's sleep. I need to tie Bob. No, let Bob stay. Do not need. Let him sleep with us. Yeah. Like, Bob is friendly. Can we dance in R6? Oh, yes, we can. We're dancing. Yay, Bob can stay with us. Wait, what's this? The burger guy. What was that? Yeah, what was that? Quack. It was me. What happened, Jerry? I had a nightmare. Oh, no. Jerry, don't have a nightmare. Oh, okay. You're not gonna comfort him? Why? So let's go back to sleep. Yeah. I want to take the big bunk, the top bunk. I can't. I need my teddy bear. Do you even have a teddy bear? Really? Yeah. And where is it? Yeah, where is the teddy bear? Like, I never see. Are you serious? uh, 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 you need to get it from me. Get it yourself. No! There's an assassin outside and you want me to get out just to get your teddy bear? Yeah, Jerry. First of all, there's no assassin. Second, I can't really sleep without my teddy bear. Oh my god! If I don't sleep, the game won't continue. You suck, Jerry. You suck. I'm waiting here. Bob, can you come with me? You're my best friend. You're my bestie. Okay, fine. Whatever. Let's go get his teddy bear. His stupid teddy bear. Like, not even my brother. He's like, I don't know. I don't even know, like 5 years old, 6, something. He doesn't even need to sleep with that teddy bear. I know the assassin is here. It's gonna come around the corner. I am scared. I am scared. Go, 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 go. Oh god, he's so fast. Whoa, 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 whoa! Is he shooting lasers? Ah! Ouch! Got your stupid teddy bear. I was attacked again. Yeah, look at my health bar, Jerry. Do you see it? And this time, he had a gun. Wait, what? He had a... Oh. Okay. A gun? Yeah! I don't believe. You should. I got your stupid teddy bear. Didn't you hear the shots? Yeah, didn't you hear them? Well, I mean, I didn't. No. I was talking with Bob. Wait, what? He doesn't talk, though. He can't even talk. Yeah, exactly. Anyways, Jerry, here's your teddy bear. Yeah! You asleep now. Thanks. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you are fine. Mr. Bear.
I love you.
Wait, what? Are you serious? Oh, God. Wow. What is that pink stuff on it? Oh, wait, it's Jerry's hand. Okay, Jerry, let's sleep now. Okay. We're going to sleep now. Okay. It's daytime, yay! Where is Jerry? Yeah, where is... Wait, we can climb this? What's going... Wait, what? I guess that I will need to find him. Wait, what's going on over there? Run, run, run downstairs. I need to see what's going on there. What? Why is there sad music? Are you sure? What's he sure of? What's happening? Wait, what's going on? No, Bob, where are you going? Bob? Come back. I love you, Bob. Bob said that this place is too dangerous for him. It is dangerous. I don't understand. What happened? Jerry. It's a log. Story. So why is it so sad now? Dot dot dot. Starting to rain. If it rains acid, let's go back to the cabin. Okay. Jerry, don't be sad, okay? We need to cheer Jerry up somehow. Oh, he looks so sad. Oh, wait, but I can turn on the LED. Oh, okay. Jerry, please don't be sad. Oh, okay. We need to wait here until the rain stops. Yeah, no joke, we do. But don't worry. It's like I said. This place is 99.9% safe. There's still a 1% chance. Oh my god! Wow. This is dangerous. Well, duh. No, quickly, Jerry, let's go. Dot dot dot. Let's go to the cave. 0% safe? Do not enter. But you said that this place is safe. No. I said that it is 99.9%. But it's okay. We can stay here and wait for help. Yeah, we can stay and wait for help. No, go to the dangerous cave. I think we should. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, actually. Because I bet there might be an obby, but I suck at them. Well, I mean, I'm kind of good. I don't know. Okay, let's go to that. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Jerry. Let's go. All right, we could climb. Cool. Let's go. Yeah, Jerry, let's go. We can play a board game in there. Wait, is the rain dangerous? No. Lol. Are you made of sugar? No. I will go first. Jerry, please don't die. If you die, Are you okay? Jerry, are you alive? Go check through this window. Okay, now I can go. Yeah, you look fine. Oh, what are those? Are those worms? No, those are sticks. Wait, what? Who? Oh, he's throwing knives! Oh gosh. Jerry, I got a torch. Wow. Oh god, it's an... How... Is that a power switch? Wait, what? Yes, and it's very dark here. This is not a problem. I sure hope it's not. I have a torch. I do too. What is that? How did you get it? Just pull out his pocket, duh. I bought the game pass. There's no game passes. You should do the same. It's for free now, Jerry. Okay, but what should we do now? We are stuck here. Well, there is a light switch. Yeah, there is. Why is there a light switch in the cave, though? Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ice is nice. Okay, that's not nice, though. Of course there's an obby. Well, duh. Oh god, I'm sorry, guys. If it made a weird noise, because I just, like, I don't know, squashed the microphone. I'm a pro obby player. And I might be not. I don't even know. It can? Roblox? Look. Here I go. I bet you're gonna suck at it. Like. Wow. Oh, wait. Jerry? Jerry, are you okay? First of all, Bob's gone, and now Jerry. He's dead. I didn't know water can do such a damage. Whatever that stuff is. I need to go. The water is rising. Wait, what? The water's what? Okay, I could do this. I could do this. Fine. You guys type in the comments. I could. Bob is the greatest. Okay, I completed the obby. What is this darkness? Oh shoot, the demon guy. Okay, we did it. That was close. Yeah, it was close. But we completed it, so yay! And Jerry's gone. Guys, type in the comments, was Jerry better or Bob? Jerry, how are you alive? Wait, what? Excuse me? I bought a revive. Oh. Wow, Jerry, just wow. It was 15 Robux. Yeah, and I only have one. Cover that 5? I can't believe. This is good. Now we need to get out of here. Yeah, let's get out of here. How long? Okay, so let's continue our way. Yeah. All right. Do this. Yeah, but Jerry, why are you just sitting down like that? Great. Just a little TV show. Hello. Hi. So you did it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. You survived until the end. Congratulations. Thank you. Does that mean we can have a celebration party? Bad news. What's the bad news? I'm with your friend. Help me. No. You could die, Jerry. You suck. To save him, you need to defeat me. Haha. Are you serious? I'm just gonna stay on this pole. You could stay with Jerry? You didn't believe in me when I said that there was an assassin outside. Yeah, Jerry, you can die. What? There is no choice. We will fight. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Bye. Oh my lord! Oh! What? You have a rocket launcher? It's better to start running. Ah! Ah! Are you just gonna run around until it dies? Ouch! Alright. So intense! Ooh. Ah! Oh my god! Can you like blow up your... This is so epic! No, it's not, you stupid dumb. And cool, no, it's... Oh my god. You're so dumb. Ah! What the... What the hell? What in the world? What is this? What is this? Is it like Cheeto powder? What is this stuff? Oh my god. I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. I'm just warming up. No, you're not just warming up. It's not good. Well, you guys, there is a part 2 on my channel, so please go check that out. Bye, guys.